everybody, how are you guys doing today? Hope all is well. As always, you guys are my favorite. Anyways, so if you guys didn't know, I live in Mexico actually, and that's why I can have all this badass stuff on my truck. But I have to take a trip up to California today and get a smog check. So thanks to my good buddy Tristan, we have a cat and a front pipe. So today, it's hot, we're going to be pulling out a section of this here exhaust, and so basically unbolting it from the turbo and probably right here sliding out what we can and installing the cat so I can drive up to California, get it smog checked, get this truck registered, and then yeah, we'll go back to Mexico and take it off. So it's kind of what we're doing today. We got some other stuff going on. This should be pretty quick. Shouldn't take too long, but I always say that and then 1,000,003 things go wrong, and that's probably what's going to happen. So yeah, we might as well just get started. I got off work a little earlier today to take care of this stuff. I have a bajillion things to do, but basically probably won't mess with the orange truck too much, and we'll mess with the actual project race truck a little bit today, and I'll explain more on that later. So first things first, right up there is the downpipe clamp. So we're going to unbolt that clamp and get this front pipe off. We will probably, like I said, unbolt it from right there, somewhere over there, and we'll get it off. So I'm gonna take this off real quick and we'll, see if we can get this pipe out. I hope it's not like stuck in there. So I'm trying to do this with as minimal removal as possible. So I'm gonna come through this side fender flare right here. See if I can't get this extension. I could probably use like a swivel, but basically got it set up. We'll undo this real quick. Fairly simple. They're not really tight, so I'm telling you guys, flex head ratchets I used to hate. Sorry, I'm probably looking at the ground, but these are the new best thing because you can kind of do whatever. You can kind of use it as like a speed handle type deal. One-hand it, twist it fast, whatever you want to do without swinging around a bunch of weight. And for pulling turbos, they are fantastic. So once I get off this, we'll take off the bottom bolt and then hopefully get this exhaust out and get the new one slid in. What a freaking hassle that was. I ended up pulling the whole entire exhaust out of every hanger to get this pipe off because it was stuck in there. But it's out. So now we're gonna take the same downpipe clamp that came off that, set this pipe in there. Just needs to be good enough to you know, get down the road and get back. So I'm not even worried about hangers. I'll probably put this part back on and set the cat going into that. Hopefully, we'll see. It only took me about 15 minutes to do this, but it's hot today down here in Mexico, you know. So I'm sweating a little bit, but I'm gonna get this part bolted in, the cat on, go get it smogged, come back, do it all over again. That was the worst thing in my life. I do not approve of this. I'm doing it so I can get it smogged. But I got this pipe in at least. The cat's kind of resting here, kind of clamped on. I don't even care at this point. That kicked my ass. And I am done working on this thing right now. I have to tighten up the band clamp for the downpipe. And after that, I'm done. For now, I'm gonna go try and get it smogged. So I'll let you guys know how I make out. I hope it. Alrighty, guys. Even if the truth burns, every day my mind goes back to all those lessons. So everything passed. The ghetto cat worked, except for this resonator delete. It has zero to do with emissions, but there it goes. For some reason, it needs to be on. So we're gonna put it on. real quick. That way we can get this thing done. Good thing we have a ton of Duramax parts laying around. I'm gonna get this snugged on, go back to the place, and we should be good, and this thing should be California legal. So, yep, we are gonna throw that on and roll out, and then go back and probably let it sit for a little bit, do some other things, get the exhaust back on. And I seem to have lost my cap, which happens on every one of my trucks. I don't know where it went, so nice. Well, for all you guys who want to know, if you actually do want more whistle, take that resonator out. I know I have a cat on here right now, and I put that resonator back on, and man, this thing is so quiet. It's sickening. I'm very disappointed, but here we'll do a little clip. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to hear it. Barely any whistle compared to what used to happen when I would get on just the slightest bit. You can see, like, nothing. There's like no noise coming from this thing whatsoever. So I'm going to, like I said, go get this finished. Got a few other projects to do today, but this thing is too quiet. I don't like it. So if you guys want more if you guys want more whistle, delete your resonator, get a 2-inch plug, which I have laying right here. So just a little squeeze plug. Other than that, here we'll get a good one from the stop, because that's usually where it used to whistle a lot. Absolutely nothing. Gotta love this place. So, good thing I had an extra resonator laying around, because I have like so many stock parts from trucks that we delete and stuff. All in Mexico, of course. So, going back and get this done, keep going with our day. Alright guys, basically I didn't film anything else I was going to do. I'll go over real quick, but I think 4 is the max number of trucks that I need to work on at once. This one needs to be put back together. Still got to do the turbo in this one. Got this one apart for the solid axle swap. And then got this one still all messed up for the race truck build. So we got 4 trucks apart right now that need to go back together. The smog is done though. This one I just pulled the antenna off of for my buddy Silverado HD TV. So undid the 3 bolts and then pulled the wire out of here. So one day soon, when the orange truck is done, we'll start tearing this thing apart and taking everything off of it for race truck stuff. But basically everything is done for this. Well, I gotta start cutting stuff off and take the traction bar, or torsion bars off, that's what they're called. Take the torsion bars off. So I gotta do that. I need to put the exhaust and everything back together on this, turbo in this, and then we'll be done. But anyways guys, thanks for watching as always. Oh, what we did, we put the front brakes on the Fiero, so that was the last thing we did today. That's why I kind of didn't get ready for the red truck. It needs an oil change too, so I'm gonna just drive my beater for a few days, and yeah, that's it. So we redid front brakes on it, nothing crazy. That's gonna do it guys though. Thank you for watching as always. I appreciate you guys and everything you guys do for the channel. We got more good stuff coming soon, just trying to play catch up right now. So as soon as I'm all caught up and everything, we'll get back to more constant uploads, more stuff to do. I am going home for a few weeks, so the videos will kind of taper off, and then I have to go somewhere with the Marine Corps. So the next few months will be a little hectic for what time we have. We do have some surprises coming in the mail, some more parts for the orange truck, so everything will be good. You guys, thanks for watching again. Stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we will see you later on the Duramax Diesel channel.